What's going on, guys? By the way, was that the right way? I can never remember which way is the right way. I'm pretty sure that's the right way. Pretty sure I did it right. Anyway, I'm sure you've heard the news by now. Ludwig left Twitch and is now streaming on YouTube, which is a huge deal. I've spent the last like 3 hours combing over all the other big streamers who left Twitch for YouTube, TimTheTatman, Valkyrae, Courage, watching all their departure videos, analyzing it as if I'm trying to catch the Freemasons doing something scary. And I have a couple thoughts for you, things that you may not have noticed, things that I feel like you would want to know. 2 thoughts, let's go into them. But first, I want to tell you about something super exciting. We launched an album this morning, a STREAMBEATS Originals Christmas album. We got a bunch of streamer friends on there. We got Lily Pichu on there. We got Foosley on there. Peter Park, a bunch of other streamers that you guys know and love. Make sure you go check it out. It is free to use on your streams. We have both a version with lyrics and both an instrumental version, depending on what you like on your streams. I'll link to it all down below. Plus, every dollar that this album earns between now and Christmas, we're donating to St. Jude, helping the children. So play it on repeat. It's on Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music. It's literally everywhere. It's live as of this morning. And just know that in general, on average, every time you play a song, we make about a third of a penny. I think it was a third of a penny. So if you want to tally up between now and Christmas how much you've earned for the kids, there's your way to do it. Play it on repeat and tweet at me Christmas morning and let me know how much you earned for the kids, and we'll let you know how much we're donating. All right, back to my 2 thoughts. The very first one I want to mention is why Ludwig leaving is such a bigger deal than any other streamer leaving. YouTube is being very, very strategic with who they're bringing over. They've brought over a handful of big streamers, right? They brought over 100 Thieves crew first, right? Valkyrae and Courage. And at the time, they were kind of like this big, new, exciting thing, and they made a massive deal and it made waves, right? Their next massive play was picking up TimTheTatman and DrLupo, which again was a huge deal because these 2 guys had been longtime veterans on Twitch, right? YouTube was making a statement that even top tier streamers with very deep Twitch roots can move over to YouTube and succeed over there, which they proved with how good TimTheTatman and DrLupo are doing over there. But Ludwig joining YouTube is different because at the end of the day, a lot of these longtime streamers were doing a similar thing that all the other streamers were doing. They were doing the thing that we can't do nowadays if we want to grow, right? They were streaming every day, gaming with their friends, doing the grind that nowadays if someone wants to grow, it just doesn't work anymore. Ludwig has been the exception to the rule. Ludwig is the first new blood to move over to YouTube. Ludwig has probably been the prime example of exactly how to grow on Twitch. That guy streamed and uploaded videos every day for over 600 days, almost 2 years. He streamed and uploaded a YouTube video every single day. There was no reason for him to leave Twitch because he was doing so well on both Twitch and YouTube. In fact, if he had called me and asked me my advice, I would have said, you're the last person who needs to leave for YouTube. Unlike all the streamers before him who had big audience, people loved watching them and hopefully started watching YouTube when their favorite streamer moved to YouTube, Ludwig was the person that people looked to as an example. People tried to emulate, people tried to copy. I try to emulate and I try to copy because he is so good at this game. Ludwig moving over to YouTube is a call sign to a lot of ambitious and aspiring streamers that, hey, this is actually the place that you want to grow. Because Ludwig is still growing so fast and making so many big plays and showing that you can do it here on YouTube, not only on Twitch, is gonna shake things up way more than Dr. Disrespect or any of the other streamers who have moved over. But there's something that he said in his video that every other person who has left Twitch for YouTube has also said. And this is the second thing that I wanna talk about. I've spoken with streamers who have left Twitch and signed with YouTube. I've also spoken with streamers who have signed with Twitch and stayed over there. Those 2 contracts are vast opposites. Every time a streamer leaves for YouTube, they say something in their video. They say one of the reasons they left is because they want to be more creative. They want to branch out in their content.
Now I feel like I have the freedom to focus on other types of content besides gaming.
Some of my best memories so far in content creation have come in the opportunities where I'm off stream.
It gives me more time to do cool shit that I'm super excited about.
YouTube gives them the opportunity to do that. Not just because it's a platform that has videos and it has shorts and it has stories, but it's a platform that wants you to do that and encourages you to stream less and get more creative, and encourages all their partners to do the same thing. The problem with Twitch is its fundamental flaw that it has nothing but streaming, meaning you only make money when you're live. And Twitch only makes money when you're live. In contrast, over on YouTube, when we're filming and we're editing videos, we're not making any money. The money comes in after we upload it and we sit back and we relax, and the money just slowly filters in on the videos we've already made. And it does it forever. I will always make money on this video you're watching right now. It might not be very much in a couple years, but I will always make money on this video. So YouTube has the opportunity to go to creators and give them freedom and says stream less, create more. Every streamer that I've spoken to that is signed with Twitch, and I'm not gonna start naming any names. We're not gonna start outing people on this channel, but they usually say relatively frustratedly, they say, I can't do this project because I am under contract with Twitch to stream this many hours. And it's usually a lot of hours, by the way. But I still find it interesting that the person who has managed to optimize that system the most, still stream absurd hours on Twitch and upload daily and make a ton of money over on YouTube, would still move over. It makes a very big statement, and I think it's something that people should at least think about. Anyway, hope you found it interesting. That's all. That's all I'm saying. I found it interesting. Hope you do too. And I hope it helps in some way. And as always, happy streaming.